What is the 19th derivative of x minus 1 over e to the x? Okay. I mean, my first thought here is to take a derivative and then a second and then a third and see if I can figure out what the pattern is. But I think I'd rather work this out in some kind of general way. Maybe I write this as x minus 1 e to the negative x and work out some kind of general product rule thing. In fact, this is x e to the negative x minus e to the negative x. Let's just call this f. And you can see now that derivatives of this are going to start piling up. Well, let's hold on. Let's see what happens here. Let's take one derivative. F prime of x is equal to x e to the negative x with a minus sign plus e to the negative x plus e to the negative x. So this is negative x e to the negative x plus 2 e to the negative x. And if I take a second derivative, I get x e to the negative x minus e to the negative x minus 2 e to the negative x. And this is x e to the negative x minus 3 e to the negative x. So you can start to see what's happening here. Every time I take a derivative, the first term is going to flip sign, and that comes from this negative sign coming down with a derivative. Then you're going to get, taking the derivative of this pops out one of these things, which then adds to some, whatever is here. Like I could, if I wanted to, I could derive and prove some kind of recursive relation here. But let's say f nth derivative x, it's going to be x e to the negative x and n plus 1 e to the negative x. And I guess this term should be negative 1 to the n, and this one should be negative 1 to the n plus 1, because the signs keep changing. So if I let n be equal to 19, let me just make sure I seem to have done this right. So the 0th derivative, we go even, even, odd, even. So that's right. And here we go minus plus minus. Yep, so that's right. And the 0th derivative has a 1, first derivative is 2, second derivative is 3, so we've got an n plus 1 there. So with 19 we should have negative x e to the negative x plus 20 e to the negative x. And with the way things are written in the options, so this is the same as 20 minus x e to the negative x, which is option C. Yeah, we could derive this. We could prove by induction that this is the correct formula or something like that. But I don't think it's really necessary for this. The pattern is pretty clear when you work out the first couple terms. If I find a mistake, maybe I have a sign error or something like that. But if I find a mistake like that, I'll put it down in the description. But I'm pretty sure this one's correct. Thanks for watching.